Hi, my name's Alison and I live with my husband Mark on the Sunshine Coast. We have 3 children. We've got Ryan, who's 9, Sophie's 7 and Phoebe, who's nearly 2. My husband Mark and I were living in remote Western Australia when I became pregnant with Ryan, and we decided to return to Queensland for Ryan's birth because we're originally from Queensland and wanted to be back near family again. We're very thankful for that decision to return to Queensland for Ryan's birth, because when he was born he had severe breathing difficulties and had to be flown by helicopter to Royal Childrens for emergency medical treatment. So this was a very traumatic time for all of us. Ryan was in intensive care at Royal Children's for a while, underwent several investigations and procedures there, but he did make a full recovery at the time. I think that the presence of a world-class children's hospital is just so important. Our decision to support the Royal Children's by making a bequest in our will was a decision that didn't need any pondering. It seemed to us like the obvious thing to do, and it was a significant way that we could contribute to an organisation that helps to save our kids who are in need. A huge amount of money can be raised. Just last year alone, almost $1.5 million was raised through bequests in people's wills, so it can make a fantastic contribution to help the foundation in their efforts. Of course, we're going to look after the family in the will, and it's been structured in a way that the children will obviously be looked after. But the great thing about leaving a bequest in your will is that you can decide just how much you'd like to donate to the foundation. It can just be a percentage of your estate, and it's a fantastic way to be able to contribute when you can't necessarily, contribute in that manner at this point in your life. And you might be, obviously with a young family, we're at a point in our lives where we can't contribute a huge amount right away, but we understand that by leaving a bequest in our will, we really can make a significant contribution, but still take care of our kids and our family at the same time. It's just so easy to leave a bequest in your will. Talk to your solicitor about your ideas for leaving a bequest in your will. Make sure they get the wording right in the will, and if you have any doubts about the process, contact the Royal Children's Hospital Foundation and ask them about your queries.